Good morning. In yesterday's class, we had discussion on common multiples and we had found the common multiples of the numbers 6, 8, 12, 18, and so on. What you need to do is you have to write the multiples of 6. The multiples of 6 you will write, then followed by the multiples of 8. Then you are going to identify the common multiples. This was the procedure. Hope you all have understood this. Now we have certain properties of multiples need to be learned. The properties of multiples like every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to that number. If you consider the multiple of 2, the multiples of 2 are the table 2, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. If you observe these multiples, they are 2 or more than 2. This is the first property. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number. Nikunj, what's the problem? Next property is the number of multiples of a given number is infinite. When we count the multiples of a given number is always infinite. Here, when we continue this, 7 table, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 sixes are 42, 7 sevens are 49, and it continues, and there is no limit. This list does not end there, it is endless. Therefore, there are infinite multiples of a given number. This is the second property. Remember, there will be infinite number of multiples of a given number. The third property is every number is a multiple of itself. If you consider 2 into 1, it is 2. 22 into 1, it's 22. If you consider some other number, say 25, 25 into 1 is 25. We see that every number is a multiple of itself. Now we have a question here. Write 5 multiples of 5, 6, 8, and 9. We are not finding the common multiple, we are just finding the multiples of the given number. Here the first one is 5. The multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. Tanmay, Sudhindra, Srinivas, you people are correct. We have to find the first 5 multiple. These are the first 5 multiples. Likewise, the multiples of 6. The first 5 multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30. The first 5 multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. The first 5 multiples of 9 are 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. So in this way we are going to find the multiples. Now we have a concept related to prime numbers and composite numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which will be having exactly two factors. If the number has 1 and the number itself as a factor, then we say that it's a prime number. 1 and the number itself. They are the prime numbers. If you consider 2, 2 is 2 into 1. The factors of 2 are 1 and 2. The number of factors are 2 here. This goes true for 3, 5, 7, 11, and so on. These are the prime numbers. They will be having exactly 2 factors. So you have to remember prime numbers are those which are having 2 factors only. In other words, I say that exactly 2 factors. If you observe the prime numbers, 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 is the least prime number. Can we say that 1 is a prime number? 1 is having only one factor, therefore 1 is not a prime number. Can 1 be called as a composite number? No. Composite numbers means they should have more than 2 factors. The numbers having 2 or more than 2 factors, they are called as composite numbers. Here is an example. 15 is a composite number, 18 is a composite number, 25 is a composite number. The reason is it is having more than 2 factors. 1, 3, 5, 15. They are the factors of 15. They are 4 in number. There are 4 factors of 15. Likewise, there are 5 factors of 18, 3 factors of 25. So all these numbers, they are the composite numbers. It will be having more than 2 factors. Now, when you look at the composite numbers, the smallest composite number you come across is 4. 4 is the smallest composite number. The reason is 4 is having 3 factors 1, 2, and 4. This is the smallest composite number. And also it is even composite number. Which is the smallest odd composite number? 9. Ishan is correct. 9 is the smallest odd composite number. It is divisible by 1, it is divisible by 3, and it is divisible by 9. There will be 3 factors. Which is the smallest odd number and a square number which is composite? Smallest odd number and composite number and square number. And once again, the answer is 9 because 9 is a square number. It is the smallest square number which is odd, and also it is a composite number. So this concept should be known to you. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 1 is a special number. 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. If I give the set of numbers, can we identify odd numbers and the composite numbers? Suppose if the numbers are like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Suppose 20 numbers are given to you. How do we identify the prime numbers here? There is a method for that. First, we have to take out 1. 1 should not be considered. Then you have to take the multiples of 2. You have to leave 2 and you have to write the multiples of 2 and you have to take them out. 4 is a multiple of 2, 6 is a multiple of 2, 8 is a multiple of 2, 10 is a multiple of 2, 12 is a multiple of 2, 14 is a multiple of 2, 16 is a multiple of 2, 18 is a multiple of 2, 20 is a multiple of 2. Next, what you have to do is you have to take out the multiples of 3. You have to leave this 3 and find the multiples of 3. Here 6 is already taken out. Next 9 I should take it out. Followed by 15. I have to take that out. Now we have to take the multiples of 5. In this already the multiples of 5 are removed. Multiples of 7 are also removed. Now if you observe, the numbers left out are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. These are the prime numbers less than 20. You can apply the same method to find the prime numbers which are less than 100. Look at a concept here. The numbers 13 and 31 are prime numbers. Both these numbers have the same digits 1 and 3. Such pairs you have to find that such a way that their prime numbers up to 100. Up to 100 we have to see. One of the number is 1771, another number is 1331, another number is 3773, another number is 7997. These are all prime numbers. Somebody says here it is 171 and 71. No, 171 is not correct. 17 and 71, they are correct. And one of your friends says this concept was there in All India Science School Entrance Examination. All right. Now you will answer this question. Write down separately the prime and composite numbers less than 20. First, we will write the prime numbers, then we are going to find the composite numbers. Here I go with prime numbers, then I will write the composite numbers. Since the question is less than 20, I have to write the prime numbers starting with 2. 2 is the smallest. Next is 3. Next is 5. Next is 7. Next is 11, 13, 17, and 19. These are the prime numbers. The composite numbers are 4, 6, 8, 9 is also a composite number, followed by 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, and 20. These are the composite numbers. One of your friend has a doubt here. Did I mention 39 in the previous one? 39 is mentioned? No, 39 is not mentioned. Paras says that 39 is divisible by 13. Yes, 39 is divisible by 13. I have not considered 39 in this. I have considered 37 and 73. Hope it's made clear to you. Now coming to the next question. What is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10?
Sir, 7.
7 is the
Sir,
greatest
before
prime number? Seven. So it is seven. Seven is the greatest prime number between 1 and 10. Which is the smallest prime number between 1 and 10? 2 is the smallest. Very good, very good. Paras, Paras, what is the doubt in the previous question? Paras, what is the doubt in this? No doubt. All right, all right. Coming to this question, we need to express the numbers as the sum of two odd primes. Let me give an example of odd prime. 3 is a odd prime number. 3 is a prime number which is odd as well as prime. Likewise, you have to consider sum of two odd primes to get the sum as 44 and 36 and 24 and 18. I'll give little time for you to think. Yes, now I will be asking individually. You will be able to tell it. First one, 44. Ishan?
Yes, sir.
Ishan will tell two odd prime numbers such that their sum is 44.
13.
Some of your friends are saying 3 and 41.
41 plus 3.
If I consider 3 and 37, still the sum is 44.
Yes,
Both these answers are correct.
43 plus 1, sir.
43
Plus
plus 1 is
No, sir, one is not prime number.
1 is not a prime number.
13 plus
31
13 and
plus 31.
31 and 13. Correct. So likewise, we can make the combinations. Basuraj will tell the second one. 36 is the given number. You tell two odd prime numbers such that their sum is 36.
5.
31 plus 5. 31 plus 5, sir. 31 plus 5, sir.
5 plus 31, yes, correct.
21 plus 2.
Basuraj, any other number?
Plus 2. 49 plus 7.
There is only one Basuraj, I suppose.
7, sir. 27 plus 9, sir. Next one, 7 plus 7, sir. Next one, 27 plus 9, sir.
Bhumika will answer 24. Bhumika, please.
20.
20 is a composite number, ma'am. 20 you should not say.
Sir, 29 plus 19 plus 17 plus 5, sir.
Let me give one.
5, sir. 11 plus 13.
11 plus 13 is 34.
11 plus 13. 19 plus 5. 19 plus 5.
5 plus 19 also will come.
5.
18 is 5 plus 13.
5 plus 30.
7 plus 11. So likewise, we can write many combinations. They are not the final. 5, 13 is not the final. 7, 11 is also there. Likewise, you will think and we can make the combination of two odd prime numbers such that their sum is 44, 36, 24, 18, like that. Hope it is clear to everyone. Now let me take another question. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them. Between them, there should not be any prime number. Now, this time, I'll be asking a question to Sampreet. Others will not answer. Sampreet is enjoying with the emojis. Let him answer this. Yes, Sampreet.
Sir,
Enough of playing with the emojis, sir. You will answer this question. Write 7 consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that there is no prime number between them.
sir, 1 minute, sir. I'll tell.
1 minute. You are playing with the emojis.
Sir, I'll.
The meaning of consecutive is continuous. That should be known to you. If I say 1, 2, 3, 4, the next consecutive number is 5. These are continuous. Such type of continuous numbers are called as composite. Sorry, consecutive. Now you have to select prime numbers which are consecutive. Sorry, composite numbers which are consecutive and no prime number between them. That you have to find.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I tell.
We will give chance to Samprit for some time. We'll wait.
Sir, what
Sir,
is
I have
consecutive
found it,
composite
sir.
number, sir?
Sir, I have found it, sir.
In the chat box, many are giving answer. One of them is correct. Nitin is correct. Akul is correct. Nitin,
So
Akul,
shall I
your
tell?
answers are correct.
So shall I tell?
Samprit, time up, man.
Sir, I will tell, sir. Sir, 90, 91, 92,
90,
95,
91,
96, sir.
92, 93,
2,
94,
94, 94, 95,
95,
96,
and 96. These are
96,
consecutive composite numbers.
94, 95, 96. Yes,
Here,
sir.
there is no prime number involved. So these are the consecutive composite numbers less than 100 so that no prime number is there between them. This is a correct answer. Yes. Coming back, we shall answer this question. It's very interesting. You have to express the given number as a sum of three odd prime numbers. One of the example I'll give. Here we have 21. This 21 is the combination of, I can write it as 3 plus 7 plus 11. The sum becomes 21. Likewise, you should write the combination of three odd numbers, three odd prime numbers, which makes 31, 53, and 61. Akhilesh, will you answer this? 31. Nikhil says 3, 5, and 13 will also give 21. Correct? You are right. 31 is a combination of 7, 11 and 13. Huh?
7, 11 and I
3.
think
Not
23,
3 when
23,
added to 11,
5
added to 17, you will get 31.
the 23, 5 or 3.
25, 5 and 3.
23, 5 and 3.
5 and 3. अरे यार
The
ऐड करो
20,
यार, ये 30 हो जाएगी. 30 plus 3 is 33. No, 31 चाहिए. So it is wrong.
Sir,
the
25
25 की जगह 23 होगा.
Sir, 23.
23.
9 plus 5 plus 5. 23, 5.
So this could be the combination.
3, sir. 3.
ठीक है, correct. 53,
19 plus 7 for 7 plus 5.
19 plus 7 plus 5.
7 plus 3 plus 7.
20
17 plus 40. 17 plus 30 plus 23.
5.
Sir, 13 plus 11, 39 plus 7. Oh, both.
Sir, 43 plus 5 plus 5.
5 plus 19 plus 23. है ना?
Sir,
No.
43 plus
23 plus 7.
No, this is
43
wrong.
plus 5 plus 5.
Sir,
This doesn't give.
Sir, 41 plus 7 plus
अगर
5.
हम
Sir.
13, 17
41
लेंगे
plus
तो
7
मिल
plus
जाएगी.
41 plus 7 plus 5. Sir.
7, sir. 13 plus 17 plus 23.
41
Yes,
plus
sir.
7.
Like this, we can find other numbers also, sir. Let us not waste time on this. Let me take another question. Here the question is, write 5 pairs of prime numbers less than 20 whose sum is divisible by 5. I'll be giving an example how to write. You have to make pairs. Whenever the question is like making pairs, no, you have to write in this format. Let me tell you. First pair I'll be writing as 2 comma 3. It is because this is a symbol used for because 2 added to 3 gives 5 is divisible by 5. Same way I'll give one more example. Example is 2 and 13. If you add them, the sum becomes 15, and this 15 is divisible by 5. Likewise, you have to make the combination of 3 more C, D and E. 3 more you have to make. Yes, one of your friends says it is 3 comma 7, because the sum 3 added to 7 gives 10 and is divisible by 5. One of your friends says it's 3 and 17. Their sum is also divisible. So 3 added to 17 is 20, is divisible by 5. Yes, one of your friends says it's 5 comma 5. Both are prime numbers. 5 added to 5 gives 10 and is divisible by 5. Likewise, we can make the combination of two prime numbers such that their sum is exactly divisible by 5. Some of your classmates, they are joining the meet now. Probably they have got off from the sleep right now. Yes, any doubt till now?
43 plus 7, sir. 27
Sir,
plus
7 plus 13, sir.
You
11
will
plus
say
9, sir.
7.
11 plus 9, sir.
30 plus
20
43
plus
plus
5, sir.
7.
Sir, 20 plus 5, sir.
Sir, 5, 5 plus 2 plus 3. 5 plus 2 plus 3.
43 plus 7.
11 plus 1 plus 13, sir. 9.
Sir, I have a doubt.
you have a doubt. Yes.
Sir, 97. Sir, in exam paper, you should write question with answer, sir.
In the examination, we want only the answers.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I have a paper we want to write.
Nitin
Please write
Bhavekatti.
traditional method then.
Sir, Nitin Bhavekatti, I have doubt, sir.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Sir, I have doubt, sir. Nitin Bhavekatti.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Nitin Bhavikatti has a doubt. Yes, I'll clarify his doubt.
Sir, one question is there. The number of distinct prime factors of the largest 4-digit number is.
Did you try that?
No, sir. I have not
Understood that.
understand this question, sir.
If I look at the question, I will be able to tell it.
सर एग्जाम में ओनली आंसर ही लिखना है क्या?
एग्जाम में ओनली आंसर ही लिखना है.
Sir, exam will be in MCQ type.
And very important thing is you have to write
Sir,
the question
Sir, I
properly, question number properly.
Okay.
Question
will show
number
the video.
followed by the answer.
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
I am
Sir,
searching
I
for
will
the
show
question
the
he
video of
asked.
the question, sir.
He will show the video of the question. How will you show it?
Sir,
ma'am?
we write
Sir?
traditional method or only
Sir,
options, sir.
after 13th, will there be any classes, sir?
After 13, there won't be any classes.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I show the video of the question?